Hello and welcome to Delightful Solutions. Today I will be sharing with you 5 companies that have work from home entry-level software engineer jobs openings. Number 1. First American Bank has an opening role for a remote software system engineer 1. This is an hourly non-exempt entry-level position that works closely with various projects to design, develop, test, document, and assist in implementation of new and existing applications and solutions. This entry-level position has an estimated salary ranging from $61,000 to $77,200 a year. Let's look at what the duties and responsibilities are. Analyze issues with specific projects or applications and identify solutions. Responsible for resolving less complicated issues relying on the established software systems. Troubleshoot and fix minor problems regarding current procedures or systems. Research best practices and support the development of solutions and recommendations for current business operations. Assist in implementing solutions and perform ongoing activities to maintain and enhance overall system functionality. Test software and ensure that completed work correctly meets requirements and is in accordance with agreed upon designs. Conduct and complete additional assignments/projects as designated by management. Let's go over the qualifications. Bachelor's degree or technical certification required. Minimum 1 year of work experience related to software development or equivalent coursework experience required. Previous banking industry experience is A+. Must have the ability to multitask and manage time efficiently. Must be detail-oriented and analytical in nature, with strong problem-solving and decision-making skills. Must be professional, comfortable speaking with external and internal contacts with a demonstrated ability to tailor the message appropriately to the audience and situation effectively. Demonstrated ability to convey thoughts and ideas effectively and succinctly via written formats, including emails, letters, and electronic platforms. Maintain professional standards relating to spelling and grammar. Maintain credibility through professional demeanor, appearance, and presence by modeling standards appropriate to our environment and industry. Maintain good working relationships with internal partners by exhibiting exemplary interpersonal skills, adopting a constructive, solutions-focused approach. Use sound professional judgment to balance the interests of the organization and customer, understanding and using available resources to mitigate risks. Must be able to communicate technical requirements and solutions to both technical and non-technical users. Proficiency with Microsoft 365 products and applications, example Visio, SharePoint, and Dynamics 365, including the ability to effectively prepare or review documents, procedures, and reports. Demonstrated ability to learn new systems and applications, as well as the ability to understand, adapt and adjust responsibilities/workflows as a result of system upgrades. Strong technical skills including understanding of software development principles. VBA scripting experience, entry-level programming experience, or computer programming coursework is A+. Proficiency in SQL is preferred. This position requires periodic travel to attend in-person meetings and satisfy office obligations/responsibilities. Typical scheduled hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Additional hours may be required depending upon business need. Number 2. The Home Depot has an entry-level opening for a remote software engineer. According to Glassdoor, the Home Depot entry-level software engineer position has an estimated base salary ranging from $68,000 to $99,000 a year. Let's look at the job qualifications. For minimum qualifications, you must be 18 years of age or older and must be legally permitted to work in the United States. The Home Depot prefers someone with exposure to front-end technology such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript/TypeScript frameworks. Exposure to an object-oriented programming language, preferably Java. Exposure to source code version control. Exposure to relational or NoSQL database technology. Exposure to cloud computing techniques. Exposure to C/CD tools. Exposure to microservice-based architecture. Under education, they want someone with the knowledge, skills and abilities typically acquired through the completion of a bachelor's degree program or equivalent degree in a field of study related to the job. Also, they would like someone with 1-year experience. Let's look at the job descriptions. The software engineer is responsible for assisting in developing and designing a product that Home Depot customers and associates will love. As a software engineer, you will be part of a dynamic team with engineers of all experience levels who help each other build and grow technical and leadership skills while creating, deploying, and supporting production applications. In addition, software engineers may be involved in product configuration, security, resilience, performance tuning and production monitoring. And the key responsibilities are: 60% delivers and executes, assists in developing, testing, deploying, and maintaining software, follows best practices established by the organization and participates in improvement conversations, consistently helps the team achieve results, even under tough circumstances. 20% learns and grows, learns through successful and failed experiment when tackling new problems, actively seeks ways to grow and be challenged using both formal and informal development channels. 20% plans and aligns, builds partnerships and works collaboratively with others to meet shared objectives, collaborates with other team members in agile processes, relates openly and comfortably with diverse groups of people. This position typically reports to software engineer manager or senior manager. And no travel required. Number 3. Quality Works Consulting Group has an entry-level remote position for a software engineer and test. According to Simply Hire, the estimated salary range for this position is between $76,100 and $96,400 a year. Let's look at the job description. A big part of your job is to lead the testing efforts on project teams as well as to develop and execute manual and automated tests to ensure product quality. Here, you will create test strategies, test cases, report defects, test websites, mobile apps, APIs, design and implement tests, debug and define corrective actions as well as review system requirements and track quality assurance metrics, example, defect densities and open defect counts. Ultimately, you will monitor all stages of software development to identify and resolve system malfunctions to meet quality standards. Our client needs you to always be on the lookout for ways to improve processes, and so you will research, develop solutions and tools for clients and the open source community. You will assist with developing content on technical best practices related to DevOps and Agile test innovations. As growing companies, our clients crave new and improved systems, and so you will assist in the deployments of all product releases, fix packs, hotfixes and conduct troubleshooting of production-related client issues. You will also create automated test frameworks and other coded solutions while designing and participating in all phases of the iterative process. Let's look at the job requirements. Bachelor's degree in computer science or information systems or software testing in Agile concepts and principles, level 1 certification, and or equivalent 6-month to 1-year relevant work experience. Working knowledge of Agile methodologies. Software development lifecycle. Quality assurance or related area. Multiple testing tools. Example Jira, TestRail or other similar tools. Black box and white box testing. International Software Testing Qualifications Board, Amazon Web Services certifications are A+. Knowledge of data analysis for purposes of creating test data sets to validate correct product behavior. Ability to run automated tests using at least one framework. Identifying and reporting issues found. Also verifying that issues are resolved. Strong commitment to quality and ability to work closely and communicate effectively with developers and product managers. Experience developing quality standards and key performance indicators for software applications. Number 4. Project Lead the Way, PLTW, has an entry-level remote position for a software engineer, back-end. This job did not list its salary, but I still wanted to share it because of its unique entry-level requirements. Let's look at the job description. The software engineer will design, develop, test, and support custom web-based applications that are scalable, secure, and resilient. This position will deliver technical solutions and other resources such as technical diagrams, proof of concepts, and feature documentation. The software engineer will partner alongside internal IT team members and various business units to create innovative and engaging experiences for students and educators. Let's get into the job responsibilities. Use modern and cutting-edge technology to create scalable applications from the ground up in order to synchronize and facilitate workflows between multiple internal and external business systems. Implement new features based on identified business needs and requests. Develop software to integrate internal business systems and external products, including both third-party and legacy software. Create unit test cases for newly written and existing code, to reach code coverage goals. Perform unit testing, general quality assurance testing, and vulnerability scanning of code prior to release. Support back-end systems by monitoring ticket queues and conducting maintenance on current code base to address bugs, vulnerabilities, and improve quality. Contribute to the design and code review functions of the team. Collaborate with members of the internal Scrum team to translate business requirements into technical solutions. Ensure design and implementation best practices and standards are followed. Proactively identify and resolve potential issues in an effort to avoid potential outages or production defects. Provide ongoing mentorship to junior team members. Identify and recommend potential opportunities to incorporate innovative methods and emerging trends within area of expertise. Other duties as assigned. Let's dive into the professional skills needed for this position. A customer-centric approach to all internal and external interactions. Seeks and embraces diversity of thought, culture, and experience. Takes pride in the work, celebrates success, and has fun. Approaches work with curiosity and experimentation. A fundamental understanding of software development methodologies and best practices. Proficient in developing solutions within one or more software development languages and frameworks, example Node.js, Express, JS, SQL, Python, TypeScript. Proficient in automated unit, integration, and UI testing, example Jest, Selenium. Proficiency with RESTful and/or GraphQL API design. Proficiency with relational database optimization, table design, and performant SQL querying, as well as integrating web applications with databases. Ability to work with Git source code repositories such as GitLab and Bitbucket and C/CD pipelines. Ability to multitask, prioritize and be detail-oriented. Ability to work collaboratively in a team environment with a focus on building and nurturing relationships. Ability to take initiative and work proactively. Ability to work independently, resourcefully seek answers, and remove obstacles. Creative and critical thinking, with a focus on being flexible and adaptable. Results-oriented with the ability to consistently meet deadlines. Ability to think and act strategically. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Accountable and takes ownership. Number 5. MixRank has an entry-level remote position for a junior software engineer. Let's take a look at the job summary. The company is looking for remote engineers that have finished school within the last 2 years or will finish in the next 6 months. This is an open-ended entry-level role with mentorship and diverse opportunities to work on all areas of our product, databases, distributed systems, infrastructure and tooling, data analysis, machine learning, front-end and back-end web development, APIs, data mining, data modeling, and more. Their codebase is very friendly to new contributors. You'll have a fully functional development environment within hours, fully automated, and be pushing commits on your first day. Deployments to production happen multiple times per day and finish in less than 2 minutes. Effectively, all of our codebase is written in Python, SQL, and JavaScript/TypeScript. The core technologies you'll need familiarity with to be productive are Python, PostgreSQL, Linux, and Git. Why join MixRank? Fully remote, no HQ office. Team of 32 people across 15 plus countries. Invested in by Y Combinator, 500 startups, and Mark Cuban. Profitable and growing 50% every year. If this video was helpful to you and you want to see more, please smash the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all our latest videos. The links to these job opportunities will be in the comment section. Happy job hunting!